We are here at the port to receive the first SKA-Mid dish that has arrived today.
Each of the member countries that is part of the SKAO has contributed funds towards the construction of the telescope. Part of those funds will be spent back in those countries. So in China's part, China has the contract to build the dish structures for the Mid telescope. And so that's why these dishes are coming from China.
What will happen is that they will offload the first dish, and then our truck will come and get it, and we will start the journey up to site where the telescope is going to be built.
Since the beginning of the project, when we built the mega telescope, South Africa has invested more than 4 billion rand in the SKA project. We are continuing to be a partner throughout until we've built out the SKA-Mid in South Africa.
The pedestal will arrive on site and that will be put on the foundation. The team will assemble the backing structure of the dish panels get installed on that, as well as the sub-reflector of the dish and the support arms. And then we really have the first big lift of the first SKA dish onto the pedestal.
This is the first time that we're able to properly assess in the field the performance of these dishes. And so it serves as that first tick box to make sure that everything's going on track.
This year we're expecting a total of 4 dishes. We've already set up the infrastructure for these dishes on site, so by the end of this year we should have them assembled on site.
I'm extremely excited. The whole team and the observatory is ready to start the construction of the dishes.